Hello students, today I am going to start the important topic that is from the optics and that too is from the plane mirrors. Students topic is when the two plane mirrors are kept facing each other at an angle theta and an object is placed between the two plane mirrors. What we are going to find, students, that the number of images formed by these mirrors. Simply, this is our today's question. That is, students, look here. These are two plane mirrors. Facing each other at an angle theta. Say example, I have kept an object between the two plane mirrors. Now students, what I am going to find now, that is the number of images formed. Simple. Students, to find the number of images here, I am going to use the value of 360 divided by theta. That is, look here. Number first, students. What is today's question? Again, I am repeating that when an object is placed between the two plane mirrors and the two plane mirrors are facing each other at an angle theta, we are going to find the number of images formed. Simply, look here, students. First is if 360 by theta is even. If the value of this 360 divided by theta is even, then number of images formed will be n equal to 360 by theta minus 1. This is the condition when 360 by theta is same. Students, number second point is if 360 by theta is odd. Now if 360 by theta is odd, then two cases arise here. If 360 by theta is odd, then two cases arise. Students, look here. First is when object lies symmetrically between the two mirrors. Students, first condition is, this is the condition if 360 by theta is odd. Two cases arise. One is when object lies symmetrically between the two mirrors. For example, students, if the angle between the two mirrors is 60 degree, then object is kept at that point. With one mirror it makes an angle 30 degree and with second mirror it makes an angle 30 degree. Now first, when object lies symmetrically between the two mirrors, then n number of images will be simply 360 by theta minus 1. Students, this is important relation. Second is, from this second case is when object lies now students, second case is when object lies unsymmetrically between the two mirrors. Between two mirrors. Then number of images formed will be n equal to 360 by theta. These are the number of images formed. Now students, I'm taking some examples to use these equations to find the number of images. Look here. If theta equal to 90 degree. First example is, I have taken that if theta equal to 90 degree, that means two plane mirrors are facing each other at an angle of 90 degree. Students, I am going to capture an object at this place. Now we are going to see what are the number of images formed. Look here, first I am going to check 360 by theta. Students, that will be 360 by 90. Look here, 360 by theta is even. 360 by theta is even. Then number of images will be equal to what? 360 by theta minus 1. And equal to 360 by theta. Value 360 by theta value is 4 minus 1 and will be equal to 3. That means when the two plane mirrors are kept facing each other at an angle of 90 degree and an object is placed between the two mirrors, then the number of images formed will be simply what? That will be simply 3. Students, I am going to take another simple example, that is, this is example number 2. Students, look here. If theta is equal to 0 degree. Now students, what is meant by this, that angle between the two is 0 degree? That is, two plane mirrors are now parallel to each other. Look at here. Look at this. Theta is equal to 0 degree. First to check 360 by theta, that will be 360 by 0, that will be infinite. Therefore, n will be infinite here. Number of images formed will be simply infinite. Okay, we can derive these questions simply by using these equations. This is most helpful. Thank you.